Hello, welcome to Shay Resort. You are checking in. Okay, can I just have your last name, please? Okay. I see here that you are one of our deluxe premium club members, and you have booked one of our suites for the week. Okay. Is this your first time here at this particular resort? Fantastic. We are so happy that you're here. Okay. I'll just get you set up here, all right? Now, do you want to put the credit card on file at this moment? Okay. Whenever you're ready. Okay, thank you. All right. And do you need any other extra amenities for your room? An extra bed? No? Okay. And I see here that you have been with us in our deluxe premium club for a year, so that entitles you to, for this particular stay, if you would like, but you have a complimentary champagne that will be delivered to your room upon arrival, or you can opt for complimentary room service for your stay. Okay. I'm just going to add all of this in for you so that way our concierge staff is notified. Okay. Yes, your room is ready. However, if you would like to have lunch, I can have the concierge take your bags upstairs. Okay. Absolutely, yes. The pool have been newly renovated and it is now heated. So at night, if it does get a little bit chilly, you're welcome to enjoy the pool as it is going to be warm. Okay. So here's your room key. Do you need an extra one? Not a problem. If for any reason that you do lose your room key or it's demagnetized, you are welcome to either stop by here at the front desk, or you can always call us from your room and we will deliver one to you personally, okay? Will you be doing any excursions while you're here, or are you going to be on the resort the entire time? The reason that I am just inquiring is because your club membership does allow you to have access to a valet and a driver for the week. So if you do know you'll be leaving the resort, we're happy to set up some time for you or to schedule your driver ahead of time so that you do not have to wait. Okay. If you change your mind, you can always give me a call here at the front desk, or you can call our concierge and they can take care of it, okay? Okay, perfect. Sure. Okay. We do now have designated smoking areas here on the resort. We do have a hookah smoking area as well as a cigar smoking area. Yes, we do provide the hookahs for you. Okay, now that we have your room set up and we have any amenities that you do need, would you be interested in trying any of our spa treatments while you're here? Per usual, your club membership does allow you access to spa and any of our treatments complimentary as well. So you do have a number of options that are available to you at our spa, and the first one is our signature massage, which is one of our most popular, and one of our massage therapists, he is really fantastic. And it is the comprehensive Swedish massage. It offers your choice of 3 aromatherapy blended oils to provide relaxation. detoxification, and revitalization. It is really fantastic. You also have the option of the stone soother, and is ideal for any chronic tension that you may have. You experience the deepest relief. Water heated basalt stones incorporated with the sweetest touch allow for more intense muscle work and long lasting relief of bodily strain. We do offer a couples experience. You can enjoy a couples massage for that extra private time for you and your partner. Features side-by-side massages in our luxurious suite, or we can come to your suite if you prefer. You enjoy a complimentary champagne as well as a decadent chocolate for your service once your service is complete. It's really, really fantastic. I have heard great things from all of the couples that have tried that particular massage. We do have a reflexology relief. We have deep muscular massages. Oh, you would like to hear more about the deep muscular massage? Sure. It's to reshape and tone the body through deep relaxation. A powerful and sensorial ritual where the most solicited muscles are stimulated using techniques borrowed from the world's 5 most powerful ancestral methods. Tensions are unraveled and the muscles are reinforced for the long term. Really fantastic. Absolutely. We do have a full comprehensive list of all of our spa treatments. It is available to you in your room. It'll be in the desk. But while you're here, I can set you up for an initial massage now. And then if you would like to add anything on, you can always call us here at the front desk, or you can call the spa directly. The deep muscular massage, of course. Now, would you like that for 1 hour? Okay. Yes. We do have some fantastic massage therapists on staff that really understand what they're doing. You will really be pleased with it. Okay. Fantastic. So that is all set up for you. Now, would you like for us to set lunch up for you on your patio? Yes. Now, of course, if you would like, I can walk you through what kind of suite you would have. No problem. So your suite's going to be on the 7th floor overlooking the ocean. You have a veranda and you do have a separate patio along with beautiful French doors. You do have 2 rooms, one with a queen size bed, and then you have a living space which offers a TV, a pull-out couch, 3 armchairs, a dining room area, as well as a full useful kitchen. You do have a stunning bathroom that offers a whirlpool jet bathtub, as well as a very luxurious giant shower with rainfall shower head. Supreme, with marble floors, beautiful marble countertops with his and her sinks as well. Wi-Fi is complimentary to you for being one of our deluxe premium club members. So all you have to do is just on the inside of your key information is also the Wi-Fi information. So feel free to log on as you need to. There is a safe located in the bedroom closet in case you would like to leave any personal items in there throughout your stay. Should you need to check out of your room earlier than expected, that is not a problem. We'll handle that down here. And if you do need to leave your bags with us to do other excursions prior to leaving or prior to heading to the airport, we are more than happy to handle that for you as well. Did you have any questions for me? Of course. Anything you need, we are on call 24 hours, as well as our concierge is on call for 24 hours. Should you want room service to be sent anywhere else outside of your room, you can absolutely call us ahead of time so that we can let the kitchen know to meet you wherever your food will be or where you like your food to go. We can absolutely take care of that, okay? Before I let you go, I just want to let you know that there are 3 pools that are going to be located right outside the side door of the main lobby here. The tennis courts are right next to that. We do have morning yoga. There are 3 classes available. There's also going to be a spin class 3 times a week. So if you would like to check those out, there is a schedule available in your room as well. Should you need any private time in any of our jacuzzis, please let us know. We can set that up for you, okay? So if you can go ahead, I will get the concierge and they're going to take your bags upstairs. I have set up your lunch to be prepared for you, so whenever you're ready, you can head out to our cafe, which is right this direction. Your food will be ready, okay? Thank you so much for choosing Resort Shay. I look forward to helping you throughout the rest of your stay here. You have a great day and enjoy your stay.